Hey everyone, Phil here from VetRec, and today I want to show you how you can integrate your notes into ezyVet. So the first thing that we're going to need to do to make this happen is we need to install a Chrome extension, and we're going to find that in the Help Center right here on the left-hand column. So we'll select Help Center, and on this first Get Started page on the right side, you'll see Chrome extension. Now we're going to go ahead and download that, and it's going to give us immediately the option to add it to Chrome. So we'll add this to Chrome, go ahead and click through to add the extension, and this will now be inside of your extensions. So what we can do is open up this extensions icon here and go find our VetRec extension that we just installed, and we'll hit this pin, and now it is pinned here and it will always be visible. So that is step one. Now what we need to do is make sure that your templates are mapped to ezyVet, and the way we'll do that is go into your templates. If you have any templates on your team or anything that's already been mapped to ezyVet, you will quickly see that they already are mapped. But if you have any that you're making for the first time and you need to get them mapped to ezyVet, this is how you'll do it. You see this here, I have a test soap here that does not have any mapping. So let's go ahead and map this. So we'll select the template. And then we're going to go all the way over to the right here into settings. And under settings, we're going to select integrations. And this is going to give you the option to select your PIMs. In this case, we are using ezyVet. And we're going to make some assumptions about where this should go. So your subjective would be in your subjective or history, physical exam, and physical exam assessment in your plan. If you needed to change this and have these go into any other areas, you get to select the drop down, and this will say put this into a different area of ezyVet, and you get to choose. In each template, you'll be able to make this, and it'll have its own unique mapping. So now, once I save this configuration, this template is now mapped to ezyVet. So now when we come over here and we look at the template that we just did the test, we can see now this is mapped to ezyVet. So now whenever we generate notes using that template that we just mapped, it'll be very easy to push these into ezyVet. So you can see I generated a quick note here using our new test template. And the steps to get it into ezyVet is to open up your session of ezyVet, click on the extension that we just installed up here on the right. We're going to find that visit that we made with that new template, and we can simply click Add Notes to ezyVet, and all of our notes go right into ezyVet.